Hello there and welcome to a quick instructional video on how to change the pollen filter on the Seat Leon Mark III. It is first necessary to empty your glove box as the pollen filter is located behind it. It is then necessary to lower the glove box to reveal the filter housing. This is done by pulling in the sides of the glove box to free them from the plastic tabs at either end. Next, we need to remove the plastic from the Seat media system. This can be done by pulling the plastic with some reasonable force. This reveals the door to the filter, which can be removed by pushing down on the bottom 3 tabs and carefully prising the plastic door from the filter housing. The instructions received with the filter indicate to release the 3 top tabs first. However, I found this difficult and found it easier to release the bottom 3 tabs first and then prising the door from there. Now that the door has been removed, the filter becomes visible and can easily be slid out from the housing. As you can see, the old filter is absolutely filthy and is in need of a change. Here we have our new filter, which is a Bosch A8530 filter. I'll put a link in the description below for details about this. On the filter there are arrows indicating the direction of airflow. On the Seat and similar cars, the airflow is drawn downwards through the filter housing, so when we install the filter, these arrows will need to be pointing downwards too. Now we can replace the filter door by pushing in the top 3 plastic clips and then securing the bottom 3 plastic clips after. We can then push back the plastic for the Seat entertainment system. This should click nicely back into place easily. We can then reset the glove box. And there you have it, one successful pollen filter change. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.